Perfect. Now we're going to Power BI to see kind of the updates there and a couple of announcements. So first in Power BI, we have two features that are previously on preview. Both apply to direct query. The first one is the automatic page refresh for Pro and Premium. This option allows you to set up a page to refresh every 30 minutes for Pro users, or as quickly as every second for Premium users. In addition, for Premium users, there is an option for change detection, which runs a lightweight query in the background to check the dataset for any changes, and then will update the page anytime it detects a change. This is very exciting because it means that you won't have to worry so much about how often it's refreshing or what is happening if the data is changing, but you'll be able to see the data in real time based on changes made in your data set. Excellent. Next in reporting, we have some of the visual features. The first one is the drill through button action. You can now drill through to detail pages through the button. For example, this one, See Details, would allow you to navigate to a new page. There's also a new mobile layout authoring. You can see the phone screen is a little bit clearer, as well as this panel makes it easier to drag and drop different elements from your page onto the mobile version. In addition, they've also supported stacking and layering within the mobile version, so now you can add different elements as they're seen in the regular report. In addition, we have an awesome feature for filtering. You can now select multiple filters and apply all of those changes at once. This is in preview and can be changed under File and Options. But really exciting if you're planning on making a lot of changes to your filter. This way you can do them all at once instead of focusing on one at a time. And then in our more visual features, we have buttons that support fill images in different states. That'll allow the user to change the image on a button, but specifically for the default hover or click states. Additionally, we have drop shadows now supported in visuals. This will add to your UX and kind of have more complex visuals within Power BI.